In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Google Ads campaign permanently. While campaigns in Google Ads can be removed or paused, keep in mind that Google Ads doesn't have a permanent deletion option. Deleted campaign will no longer run but remain visible for historical data purposes. On your account, navigate to the Campaigns tab from the left-hand menu. This will display a list of your active, paused, or previously deleted campaigns. And then identify the campaign you want to delete. So as you can see in here, I still don't have yet a campaign created. So assumingly we have. So check the box next to the campaign name to select it. And then click on the more or the three dots on the very end of the list, which is the more, and then you will see on the drop down option, select the remove and then confirm your choice in the pop-up prompt. The campaign status will now show as removed in the campaigning tab, while remove campaigns won't run. They will remain in your account for reporting and data history. And that's it. That's how you delete a Google Ads campaign permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.